here at Hama-rikyu Gardens in Tokyo. This is just an incredible spot. Maybe hear some traffic in the background just on the edge of the gardens here. This is actually an old duck hunting area from the Tokugawa Shogun period. And this is like just an incredible piece of nature here right on the edge of this big city. This has been here for hundreds of years. I imagine this got really bombed out during World War II. Maybe it was rebuilt, I'm actually not sure. But I am really enjoying this. This is like, again, other than that traffic noise in the background, incredibly peaceful area. There's birds singing, there's old trees, there's ponds, there's paths. It's nice and cool in here too. It's a little humid and hot today, but wow. This is basically $3 to get in here. And it's well worth every penny, I think. Young bamboo shoots coming up all over the place. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for on a vacation. A little bit of nature, in addition to the big city. I'll come around here. This is a little shaky. I have my gimbal with me. And I'm walking over tree roots and so forth here, so it's got to watch my step. A little bit shaky. This path. There's the young bamboo shoots and the former duck hunting pond. Doesn't look like there's any ducks here today, though. Maybe they've wised up. It's coming out of the duck hunting area and coming up a path. Pretty lush in here. Just need to watch I don't step on any tree roots. As we come out of here, I think we're coming into the main part of the garden. If I'm not mistaken, there's kind of a eatery or a tea house up here. I think I was here, God, maybe 15, 16 years ago. Skyscrapers in the distance. This bridge. Here is a grove of cherry trees. All the sakura gone though. It's pretty lovely though in the spring.